Hey guys, it's Stephanie, aka the girl from Team 9862, Control Destroy, and today I'm going to tell you about some engineering notebook basics. The first thing in your notebook should be a table of contents. Many teams overlook this, but since your engineering notebook is a book, it is important to lay out the things that are inside it. The next thing in your notebook should be a strong team introduction. This should be something unique to your season. Here are some examples of things we've done in the past. Our first year as a team, we changed the robot a lot. So we had an evolution of Team 9862's robot. Last year we had 2 robots, one for outreach and one for competition. So we did a tale of 2 bots. This season we compared our robot from last year's robot to this year's. There was a huge difference. Daily engineering logs are a very important part of your notebook. Through these logs, someone should be able to completely rebuild your robot, making all of the same mistakes and corrections you and your team did. These logs should have a heading showing the date and what times you practiced. Daily engineering logs are also a required part of your notebook. The next important part of your notebook is the business plan. This should outline your team mission statement, goals, budget, and expenses. In here, you also want to include any grants and sponsorships you received, as well as any receipts you have from throughout the season. Although it's not a required section, outreach should also be another huge part of your notebook. This section should have its own table of contents and lay out every outreach opportunity you had during the season. This can include things like demonstrations, hosting scrimmages, kickoffs, and competitions. Things that do not count as outreach are events from last season and some fundraisers. Lastly, you'll need to have your team bios. Each team member should have their own, and you can include things like age, grade, how long they've been in first, and why they joined the team. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Once again, I'm the girl with Control Destroy. Thanks for watching.